The global struggle against the coronavirus pandemic is in full swings. At the same time, traders are keeping close tabs on the economic calendar to reckon the damage to the global economy. This week, the market moving report will be data from the US Labor Department on a jobless rate and employment in the private sector. What other events are due in the second half of the trading week? Let's watch a video calendar on InstaForex TV channel. On Thursday, Canada is going to report on its trade balance for February. Trade deficit is likely to have contracted, however, the news will hardly change market sentiment. On the same day, investors are alert to the report of major importance from the United States, initial unemployment claims. Last week, the market was caught off guard by the soaring figures. This week, investors are ready for other evidence of the steady downtrend. Economists expect the first-time jobless claims to surge by another 3.5 million. On Friday, investors are praised for the official data on the US employment. Most experts shared their dismal forecast. They warn investors that the US labor market could have locked the first contraction in hiring in the US public and private sectors for a long time. To make things worse, it would be not just a figure with a negative value, but a historic low. Besides, the US labor market could shed more jobs in the following months. Experts foresee the lowest employment by July. Such gloomy forecasts were unveiled in the statement from the Federal Reserve Bank of St. Louis. The market is fretted about the assumption that the economy has entered the initial stage of the crisis, which could flare up in the near future. A great degree of uncertainty weighs on investors, thus boosting demand for safe haven assets, including the US dollar. In this context, the dismal situation in the US labor market is bullish for the US currency. Apart from the above-said publications, it would be a good idea to take notice of other economic data. On Thursday, traders will get to know the house price index in the UK. In fact, residential property in London is a traditional investment shelter. Thus, in the time of market turbulence, millionaires could be poised to invest in real estate. Another important report is the US trade balance data for February. On April 3rd, traders will shift focus to services PMIs from the largest global economies – China, Europe, the UK and the United States. You were watching Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Tikhina. We wish you profitable deals.